Live from KTVN Reno, you're watching 2 News at 7.
That individual is confirmed positive. We had that presumptive positive test from the state lab, so this is what we expected.
Yeah, you heard it there. One confirmed case of coronavirus in Washoe County has now been confirmed by the CDC. What health officials and hospitals are doing to reduce the spread is tonight's 2 News Big Story at 7 o'clock. Good evening, I'm Ryan Canaday. Thanks for staying with us tonight. Healthcare professionals are taking extra steps all across the country to help reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19. There are now more than 900 cases in 36 states and Washington, D.C. The death toll in the U.S. is now at more than 30. Well, so far, there's one positive case through the CDC and one presumptive positive case in Washoe County. Brian Hoffman has more.
As far as St. Mary's is concerned, they're doing special screening for patients focused on eliminating the possibilities of a coronavirus case.
We do an initial assessment when the patient arrives and they are registered. They are asked if they are experiencing respiratory symptoms to please don a mask or place a mask on. And then they are isolated while we do the rule out.
Should the patient have symptoms of the coronavirus, St. Mary's is ready with quarantine rooms and special PPE or personal protective equipment for the staff. The health officials recommend you stay at home if you feel sick to reduce the risk of spread, but should you need to come to the hospital, they are taking steps to ensure that it doesn't spread. Hand sanitizers on every wall, and the hospital even put out hand washing stations right outside of the hospital, as well as signs warning those who feel sick. Dr. Jenny Wilson, medical director for St. Mary's Emergency Department, also spoke on the common misconceptions when it comes to the coronavirus.
The surgical masks, which is I think the most common thing you see people wearing, that does not prevent the virus from getting through. We have masks here called N95 masks, and you have to actually get fit tested for them.
Dr. Wilson did say that while those masks don't protect you if you're healthy, if you are sick, it is urged that you wear one to prevent against spreading viruses.
Cover this. Coronavirus, flu virus, other respiratory pathogens, they're carried in droplets and in the air. So if you sneeze or cough and it goes everywhere, then somebody who's walking by can pick that up.
Covering the story, Brian Hoffman, 2 News.